Hey, this is Davis from. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble tray with the locks, actually without any adhesive tapes. Alright. So the first thing which you need to do is to crease the folding lines, properly crease them. Okay. I'm going to pause the video for now. So I'm going to crease all folding lines here. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, so the old folding lines has been creased properly. Now we have locks here. These are the locks, right? Which gonna lock with that flaps. You can see these flaps on both sides. So you just need to put that flaps inside of that lock so it can hold both of that side flaps. Alright. Okay, so this is the last piece I have in front of me. Let's see what we can do on this. First of all, I think we need to open that properly so we can know that okay, this is the way. Okay, yeah. So from the outer side, we need to just give us a little space here. Okay, on all four sides. All right, let's try it. It's very simple. It's just like that. Okay, and fold them just like this. See, again, this hold this side. If the cameraman can see this, see, you can see the locks here, and we need to interlock with the other cutout. See this. This is the way. Again, let me hold that just that way. That clapboard inside. Okay. It should be in both sides. I mean, it should be in one go actually. So it will be easier to assemble. I'm right now just for you. I'm just assembling for one by one. It should be in a poster just like that. Let me show you. Like this. Little space. Okay. Both sides. Okay. And you just need to see how it's gonna fix like this. Okay. So this is how you're gonna receive. You're gonna assemble them. Let me try again for you. We'll just push them a little harder, so it's gonna work for you. See, on both sides together, and you need to check the flaps. The bottom flaps of that box you should need to put properly inside of that box, so it can hold them easily. Okay, so the thing is that walls should be go underneath of that flap on both sides, not here, and all these sides. Okay, so this is how you need to assemble the box. It's pretty easy to assemble. Just need to fold the creases properly, plus you need to open the locks from all sides and fold it together, right? So it can be easily you can easily assemble them. Otherwise, you will have, if you're gonna put the one side in the lock and then other side, then obviously it's going to be crack, or you're not able to assemble the box. All right, thank you very much.